Zamil Steel, world's premium steel building provider, now help you to visualize your project's color scheme. Zamil Steel India has launched new innovative tool, Virtual Painter, assist our clients to visualize the color scheme of their buildings well in advance. To get started, choose your color here at www.zamilsteel.co.in. Our Virtual Painter application allows you to choose the roof and wall colors, as well as trims and flashing. Our standard offered colors perfectly match with the natural environments and surroundings. Zamil Steel offers 6 unique colors for their buildings cladding within the standard delivery period. We also offer additional optional colors, provided the extended delivery and minimum order quantity are met. Zamil Steel is your one-stop steel building solution provider. For more details, please log on to our website www.zamilsteel.co.in.